Hey everyone! Every tip I'm about to give comes straight from mechanics working in the shop, so no need to worry. If your Nissan or Infiniti throws the code P17F1, don't panic. What your car is basically saying is, hey, something isn't running smoothly in my CVT transmission. More specifically, there's a little judder, or jerk, detected in what they call clutch A. In simple terms, your car feels that the power isn't being transmitted completely smoothly and wants to warn you before the problem gets worse. The first thing many owners notice is that the car can store the code without you feeling anything serious. Some people have it for months, even years, with only a slight vibration when starting or accelerating in cold weather. Forums are full of stories where someone finds P17F1 on a scanner and says, well, my car still runs fine, I don't get the big deal. This shows that you don't always have to rush to the mechanic and spend thousands of dollars immediately. Now, if you start feeling jerks or vibrations, one of the first real suspects, according to mechanics and forum users, is the CVT fluid. Yes, that fluid is more delicate than it seems, and when it's dirty, old, or degraded, it can cause the transmission to act up and trigger P17F1. Changing it with the correct fluid, like NS3 for Nissan and Infiniti, can improve things a lot and sometimes even make the code disappear temporarily. If the fluid checks out, the next suspect is the internal CVT components, especially the valve body or the hydraulic pressures that control the clutch. Some mechanics use inspection cameras to look inside and see if there's actual wear. Interestingly, many times the damage is minor, and just recalibrating the TCM after replacing a small part can clear the code without having to replace the whole transmission. And yes, in the most severe cases, some mechanics recommend replacing the entire CVT, which is expensive, several $1,000s. But the consensus is that before spending that fortune, it's worth checking the fluid, pressures, and recalibrating the TCM. Many times this fixes the problem or at least gives you time to plan the repair without getting stranded on the road.